Hello, I am Sudhi Kumar Pal. Hope you are better and safe at your home. Today I am going to discuss about MO theory or molecular orbital theory. You all know that in molecular orbital theory, when two atoms are combined, two types of molecular orbitals are formed. Suppose a molecular orbital psi A and a molecular orbital psi B. When they combines, two types of molecular orbital form. One and two. Two types of molecular orbital form. One energy decreases and one energy increases. When energy decreases, this molecular orbital is called BMO or bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. And here the energy increases, so this is called ABMO or anti-bonding molecular orbital. Molecular orbital. Clear? In this BMO, psi A and psi B combines and energy decreases. So BMO is psi A plus psi B. And this anti-bonding or energy increases. So therefore here psi A minus psi B. Suppose let us example for hydrogen molecule. For H2 molecule. In case of H2 molecule, hydrogen atom. Clear? One electron present in hydrogen atom and one electron is present in also hydrogen atom. So when they combines, two types of molecular orbital form, that is BMO and ABMO. This is BMO and this is ABMO. Clear? So two electrons are present. This is BMO and this is ABMO. When two electrons are present, so two electrons are shifted here. Clear? So here bond order is equals to half into number of electron present in BMO minus number of electron present in ABMO. Clear? So in case of hydrogen, number of electron present in BMO is 2. Clear? In case of ABMO, for hydrogen molecule, the number of electron present in ABMO is 0. So 0. So half into 2, that means 1. So bond order of hydrogen is 1, that is this. In case of H2 plus, H2 minus, let's see what is the bond order. In case of H2 plus molecule, one electron is removed from this, and one electron is present in there. So in case of BMO, one electron is present here. So in case of H2 plus, bond order is half into 1 minus 0, that means half, that means 0.5. Clear? In case of H2 minus, one electron is extra here or here, so therefore two electrons are already present there and one electron is present in ABMO in case of H2 minus. So therefore bond order for H2 minus molecule is half into 2 minus 1, that is half, equal to 0.5. So bond order is, so bond order is H2 greater than H2 plus, similar H2 minus. Clear? Let's see for helium. In case of helium, that is 1s orbital, 1s orbital, number of electron present is 2. So two type of bonding, that is ABMO and BMO. Here it is also called sigma 1s orbital, and here also it is called sigma 1 star orbital. Clear? So 2 plus 2, 4 electrons present. So 2 electrons present in BMO molecule and 2 electrons present in ABMO molecule according to Hund's rule, because one orbital is fulfill maximum 2 electrons. So therefore bond order is half into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So He2 molecule does not exist. So He2 molecule does not exist. Clear? So we also write its electronic configuration for He2 molecule or H2 molecule. That is, for H2 molecule, we here in case of H2 molecule, the electronic configuration for H2 molecule, electronic configuration sigma 1s 2, sigma 1 star 0. In case of H2 plus molecule, sigma 1 star, sigma 1s 1, sigma 1s star 0. In case of H2 minus molecule, sigma 1s 2, sigma 1 star 1. Clear? Let's see for the molecular orbital of nitrogen molecule. For N2 molecule, in case of N2 molecule, here 2p orbital is present. So let's see 1s orbital for nitrogen. This is energy diagram. 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 2s orbital, and 2p orbital, 2p orbital. So as usual, 1s orbital combines and form BMO and ABMO. This is sigma 1s, this is sigma 1s star. For 2s, similarly, sigma 2s, sigma 2s star. Here 1 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, and in case of 2p, the 2px, 2py, 2pz, 1 2px bond is formed sigma orbital, and 1 is formed anti-bonding molecular orbital. Suppose sigma 2px form BMO and sigma star 2px form ABMO. Clear? And other two 2p orbital, that is 2py and 2pz orbital, form pi orbital, and their energy is same. Their energy is same. So one is pi 2py and one is pi 2pz. So their energy is same. Similarly, they form antibonding, that is pi star 2py, pi star 2pz. Clear? In case of nitrogen, number of electron 3 in 2p orbital. Let's see, 2 to 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 to 4, 1 2 3 4 3 3 6. First fill up 2 electrons. Next third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron. So in case of nitrogen, bond order is half into number of electron present in BMO molecular orbital. So 2 4 6 8 10 minus number of electron present in ABMO 2 4. So 6 into half, that means 3. So triple bond is present in nitrogen molecule. Thank you.